In 2026, the velocity of information and the volatility of global markets can shatter an unoptimized mind. Most people respond to this pressure with reactive anxiety, making them vulnerable to every market shift and trend. This is a strategic failure. Today, we install the Stoic Operating System, a clinical framework for maintaining total cognitive stability regardless of external chaos. The primary constraint is external dependency, the tendency to stake your stability on variables you cannot control: social perception, economic trends, or the actions of others. To neutralize this, you must implement the dichotomy of control. This is not a philosophy for ancient times. It is a high-performance filter for modern operations. Every morning, audit your task list. If a task is within your control, execute it with 100% intensity. If it is outside your control, classify it as environment data. Acknowledge it, plan for it, but do not waste emotional bandwidth on it. Next, execute Premeditatio Malorum, or the systematic anticipation of failure. In an era of rapid technological disruption, naive optimism is a risk. Regularly stress test your systems by asking, what if this platform vanishes? What if this market crashes? By pre-calculating your response to potential catastrophes, you remove the shock factor. You don't fear the breakdown, you have the recovery protocol already written. Finally, practice amor fati, the radical acceptance of reality. Do not fight the facts of your situation. If a project fails, do not lament the loss. Analyze the data, extract the lesson, and integrate it into your next iteration. By treating your setbacks as objective feedback rather than personal tragedies, you ensure that your mind remains unshakable. Stop letting the world dictate your internal state. Master the Stoic protocol, and you turn the chaos of 2026 into the fuel for your next level of growth. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.